beyond just GPS.
Successfully completed the Certified GNSS Professional Workshop held in Enugu on the 15th and the 16th of May 2025.
Okay. Precisely the section that stood out for me is where we were introduced on how to process our data online using the hotspots and the Canadian services. These are my take home for this training because it really opened our eyes. We saw a lot of things that we can do with those services.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Please, can you tell me your name and where you're from?
Okay, I'm Ebo Frank by name and I'm from Enugu here.
Okay, so how would you describe this training in one word?
Okay, it's actually an impactful one. Okay, so much interesting.
Because I would like to ask you also, do you feel more confident working with GNSS tools and technology now after the training?
On a scale of 10, I could say 9.5. Sure. I feel so much confident. I think I've gained enough that I can say it's like